teacher. Today I read the story. That's hiccup. Then everything's a completed. She will sing a TV. Hic, hic, hic. That is nervous. Oh no, I can't sing. I have hiccups. Dance mom give her a scare. Surprise! Hic, hic. Dance still has hiccups. Put your finger in your ears. But dance still has hiccup. Shook on a kite of lemon hic, but that still has hiccups. A nice leaf dance a burst of water. Drink is upside down. Dance hiccups go. She is happy. She combs her hair. The music plays. She sings her song. It's beautiful. The combed short and cheese. Goodbye, teacher. See you next time.